Welcome back to Healthy Horizons. If you or a loved one is living with diabetes, today's video is especially for you. We're diving deep into the world of bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon. It might not win any awards for taste, but when it comes to managing blood sugar levels, this bumpy green vegetable is a true natural powerhouse. So grab a cup of herbal tea and get comfy. By the end of this video, you'll know why bitter gourd might just become your new health ally. Let's get into it. Bitter gourd, also known as Momordica carrantia, is a tropical vine native to Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially in Ayurvedic and Chinese healing systems. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and several B vitamins, and it's packed with antioxidants. But what makes it so special for diabetics is its natural insulin-like compounds. Yes, you heard that right, bitter gourd contains bioactive substances that act like insulin in the body. We'll talk more about that shortly. Bitter gourd contains three main compounds that are incredibly beneficial for people with diabetes: charantin, a compound known for lowering blood glucose levels; polypeptide P, a plant insulin that mimics the function of human insulin; lysine, another compound with blood sugar-lowering effects. Together, these elements help reduce blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake in cells and improving insulin sensitivity. That means your body becomes better at using the insulin it produces or the insulin you may be injecting. Don't just take tradition's word for it, modern science backs this up too. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that bitter gourd significantly reduced blood glucose in patients with type 2 diabetes. Another clinical trial showed that people who took bitter gourd extract daily had a moderate but consistent reduction in fasting blood sugar. It's not a miracle cure, of course, but it can be a powerful natural supplement in your diabetes management toolkit. So, how do you actually consume bitter gourd? Here are some easy and popular ways. Bitter gourd juice, one of the most effective methods. Just blend with water and a squeeze of lemon to cut the bitterness. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Cooked dishes, stir-fried, stuffed, or added to curries. Cooking reduces the bitterness but retains the nutrients. Capsules and powders, for those who just can't handle the taste. These are available at most health stores. Whichever way you choose, consistency is key. Regular consumption can lead to noticeable benefits. Now, a quick word of caution. While bitter gourd is natural, it's also potent. It can cause blood sugar to drop too low, especially if you're on diabetes medication, so always talk to your doctor before adding it to your routine. Pregnant women and those with hypoglycemia should also avoid bitter gourd. Start small, maybe a few tablespoons of juice a few times a week, and monitor your body's response. Bitter gourd may not win any flavor contests, but when it comes to supporting blood sugar management, it's a champion in disguise. Think of it as one more tool in your diabetes toolkit alongside medication, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. If you've tried bitter gourd or plan to, share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural health tips every week. Until next time, stay healthy, stay balanced, and keep moving forward.